the Silver Stars WNBA game for September 10th. It's a military appreciation night, and that is celebrating the 10-year anniversary of 9/11. So we'd love to thank Hallmark.
All right. Shawnee, thank you so much for making this all possible. We appreciate it, and everybody here appreciates it too. John, back over to you for weather.
All right. I've got a special guest of my own, and I know you're going to recognize this guy, but if you don't, maybe it's because you just moved here over the recent past. But come on over here. Ladies and gentlemen, Albert Flores, weatherman extraordinaire here in San Antonio for, 20, 25 years, has been away, but not really away over the past 8 years. I want to just tell you, first of all, Albert is going to be our morning meteorologist next week. He's going to be our guest morning meteorologist, filling in for a week, and it's going to be a lot of fun. Hope you tune in Monday morning at 4:30. And big question everybody's asked ever since they've seen you today is, where have you been? What have you been up to?
I've actually been in San Antonio, started a production company, Diverse Media. I've been doing that for several years, so I got the call about a week ago. So I'm excited to join your team. 4:30 is going to be a little interesting, but, we got a great morning team. I was with them this morning. Yeah. They're on fire, so this is going to be a lot of fun.
Look at the bright side. You get to get out at noon.
There you go.
And everybody's going to lunch. You get to go home.
There you go.
Anyway, I'm a glass half full kind of guy, I guess. Anyway, listen, I want to show you our latest look at Storm Tracker 4.